So, alright, we're back. I mean, I don't know, this could have been a little issue. The guy I purchased the bike from, he had these tires like damn, like basketballs. There was like 46 pounds in the rear. I lowered that to like 35. There was 42 pounds in the front. I lowered that to about 32, even though it calls for 36 in the front, 42 in the rear. Man, these things were so hard. I don't know, it might help with the traction that I feel I was getting. They didn't feel sticky. They heat up. Metzler Sport Tech M3s, they heat up good, but as far as sticking to the road like how I was used to with the Q3 Pluses, it night and day. You can say whatever you want, but night and day. Another thing I did notice after going back in my mind and remembering what my old bike felt like, the clip-ons. Okay, on my old bike it felt like the clip-ons were, I don't know if this makes sense, but they were adjusted more inward this way almost. This feels like I'm at a wider grip, if that's what you want to call it. Feels like my shoulders and arms are spread apart, and for a short guy like me with a shorter arm reach, it just felt more racy, like a Yamaha R1 type feel. I'm gonna try to figure out how to adjust this to make it come in just a little bit more, because it definitely feels a little off, but maybe it's just me. I'm just trying to feel things out at the moment. Heat the tire up a little bit. I don't know, the rear is just a little bit more like squared off. The front definitely, just by looking at it from here, I don't know, maybe it's just me. These tires, they just feel boxy, like gotta put a lot of force into it. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna jump on this highway right here. And another thing is, when I was coming up this road right here, I was riding out, I was kind of not necessarily winding out first gear, but I was you know, I was crawling at 25 miles an hour behind some cars, let them get ahead, and I cranked it, and the front wheel did come up, but not much at all, but it came up to the point where you could feel the wheel turn to the side, you know, get crooked. And that's something definitely new that I wasn't used to with my old bike. I don't know if that's a Caddy or a GMC. Yeah, there's no center caps. Can't tell. It is. It might be a Caddy. So we back here with Hunter on the R3. We merging on to 279 here. Got a fellow Harley rider out here with no damn helmet on. I don't get it. I don't get it. You fall and hit your melon, it's over. Man, they can have whatever they want on. They ain't got no gear, no helmet. You could be standing still, fall over and hit your melon, and it could be a wrap. And once again, we got the Pittsburgh skyline. Everyone knows these buildings, especially the PPG building over there with the points on it. Everyone knows this UPMC building up here as well. Got the convention center over there. I'm gonna take the middle lane, 7th Avenue exit. And I got GPS in my ear as well. So we're doing a lot here today. We're vlogging, being the navigator. We're gonna go 7th Ave. Left, actually, get in the left lane. Yeah, we're gonna make the left. We can left, yeah, we'll squeeze in down here. So we got bikes, so we can just squeeze in anywhere. Yeah. Nope. Stop sign. So now we are up in the Hill District. These homes up here are townhouses, which are brand new or newer. Watch out for this guy, girl, guy. And back in, I don't even know, back in our parents' day, like 60s, 70s, like the Hill District was the main thing. A main attraction point to the city at one time, since it was so close to downtown Pittsburgh, which now it's not the best area at all. But then again, nowadays, everything is not the greatest. He said bodega. You can tell my man Hunter, he's from New York, or used to live in New York. He's calling these little stores bodegas. But stay tuned, guys. We'll be leaving the hill soon. There's a young future rider there. Bigelow Boulevard, which everyone in the city knows about Bigelow and being on a bike. This road got crazy humps in it that'll catapult you off your bike if you ain't holding on. Some people be flying down here. So we found a nice shade spot, but it sure is not gonna last long because traffic's moving. Yeah, all things do come to an end. Now back in the sun, baking all over again. That shade felt good for about a good 5 seconds, and the extra 5 seconds it took for the camera to turn on. I'm about to slide up on. Bitch ass Bendigo. Can I get over here? Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, just follow the 579. And here we are. It's not Tuesday. It's not Taco Tuesday, but we getting tacos. Taco. They made parking just for us. Okay. I might want to back this motherfucker in and take a picture. That's what we're going to do. All right. Yeah, I'll probably head that way too. So the Dose Talk, what, I don't even know how you pronounce that shit. I don't know how you pronounce that, but Takir, whatever. It's not the greatest. I think the one on the south side is way better. Yeah. Were you trying to get over? People be seeing, but they just don't be giving a fuck. I'm probably gonna go straight. Yeah. Alright, bro. Be safe. Alright.